In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pinterest for blogging traffic fast and easy. If you're looking to boost your blog's visibility and expand your audience through Pinterest, you're in the right place. Pinterest offers a unique platform where visual content thrives, and when used effectively, it can be a powerful tool to drive traffic to your blog. So let's dive in and explore how you can harness Pinterest's potential to your advantage. First, we begin by accessing Pinterest. You can do this by simply going to your preferred search engine, typing in Pinterest, and clicking on the first link that appears. Once you're on Pinterest's homepage, the next step is crucial: switching to a business account. Creating a Pinterest business profile is both free and straightforward. With a business profile, you can add your blog's URL and claim your site, which allows Pinterest to verify you as the official owner. This not only enhances your credibility, but also provides access to detailed analytics. Now, let's talk about creating blog-focused boards. Think of boards as categories that help organize your blog content. Aim for specificity in your board titles to attract your target audience. For example, you could have boards like Blogging Tips for Beginners or SEO and Traffic Growth. Each board should accommodate different aspects of your blogging niche, making it easier for users to discover content that's relevant to them. The design of your pins is another pivotal aspect. Using tools like Canva, you can create vertical pins, ideally in a 1000 by 1500 pixel format. Adding text overlays that highlight key points from your blog posts could be beneficial. For instance, a pin could read 10 easy SEO hacks to boost blog traffic, or how to write blog posts that rank. Consistently using your brand's colors and fonts will ensure that your pins are instantly recognizable and cohesive with your overall branding. Next, we delve into Pinterest SEO as a valuable strategy for generating free traffic. Incorporating keywords into your pin titles, descriptions, and board names can significantly improve discoverability. Rather than using generic titles like blog post ideas, opt for more descriptive ones like 50 blog post ideas for lifestyle bloggers, including 2 to 5 relevant hashtags like #blogging tips and #Pinterest marketing will further enhance your visibility. To maintain a steady flow of content, pin consistently. Aim to add 5 to 10 pins daily. You can use Pinterest's native scheduler or a tool like Tailwind to streamline this process. By repurposing each blog post into multiple pins with varied headlines, designs, and images, you keep your content fresh and engaging. Finally, it's important to track and scale your efforts. Utilize Pinterest Analytics alongside Google Analytics to identify your top-performing pins. This data will guide you in creating more content around what works. And when you find winning content, consider using Pinterest ads to amplify its reach. By following these steps, you can effectively leverage Pinterest to increase your blog traffic. Happy pinning!